Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to talk to you about beautiful strength. Greg Cook wrote a book called Kalosthenos. It was about doing a Turkish get-up, and Kalosthenos was supposed to stand for beautiful strength. And I think strength should be beautiful, and it is beautiful, and it should feel beautiful. So what I want to show you today is it takes a little bit of skill and a lot of curiosity, but I do believe that you can make strength feel beautiful, or you can discover that strength feels beautiful. And the way I'm going to try to show it to you today is with the two hands anyhow. The two hands anyhow is you pick up two weights over your head anyhow you want to. And the thing that makes this feel so good is that it's light load. So I think you can feel that strength becomes beautiful when you're not doing something so heavy that it's too much of a strain or that it hurts. But I do believe that there is a right amount of load or weight that you can play with that just makes your body feel good. So you can get two light dumbbells. I'm going to use two 25s. They don't have to be heavy at all. But if you find the right weight, a little bit of weight, and the right movement, and I'm going to use the two hands anyhow, strength just feels beautiful. Anyway, so now this is my version of a two hands anyhow. You don't have to do it like this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl one of the dumbbells, and then I'm going to do a side press, and then here at the bottom I can curl the other one and stand up and then press and bring them both down. To do that again, I'm going to curl. I'm going to do a side press or a bent press, whichever you want. Now I can curl it at the bottom, or I can wait, curl it as I'm coming up, press up. But this just feels it just feels good. Now if you don't know how to do a side press or a windmill or a curl or an overhead press, then this would be difficult. But you can find a movement that you enjoy doing and put just a little bit of load to it and just play around, and you'll find that, man, strength does feel beautiful. And that's kind of the point, is that it should feel good to be strong, and it should feel good when you're training. Training doesn't always have to hurt. It doesn't always have to be, exhausting. With the right amount of training, it can be, or with the right amount of load, it can be very invigorating. Just from the side, in case you're wondering, like, what the heck is a side press? So a side press, you want to get your elbow behind your back, and that makes your lat turn on. And then you can either press it here, that's a true side press, or you can fold under it as kind of more of a bent press or a corkscrew press. Anyway, and then you come up. Not really trying to do how to do a side press video or even a two hands anyhow video, but really just trying to talk to you about beautiful strength. Anyway, give that a shot, and not this a shot unless you want to try this. But practice playing with light loads in a movement that you enjoy to see if it doesn't feel good or even beautiful. All right, that's my tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.